Welcome to Calculus. Today we are going to answer a question. What is pi? Especially for you in primary school who never even heard algebra or math formula symbol before and suddenly facing this. Not gonna lie, 9 out of 10 will ask, what is that thing? That is a symbol of pi. It's called pi. You mean this pi? No, not that pi, but this pi. One of them delicious, but the other one make you confused. So, what is pi? Pi is a constant, a number that has a fixed value and will never change. That great people before us kindly discover for us, so that we can count the area and perimeter of a circle easily. Basically, pi is the ratio between the perimeter of a circle to the diameter of the same circle. Then, what is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22/7. That means a circle which is 22 centimeter in perimeter has a diameter of 7. And since it's a ratio, a circle which is diameter 14 centimeter will have perimeter equals to 44, and with diameter 21 will have perimeter 66, and so on. That's why every time we need to count the area and perimeter of a circle, we are using this pi and not this pi. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.